Hey everyone, I made it into Sam's Club and look what I found. The Jonas Brothers. They make popcorn or they're promoting it. I don't know. Try the Jonas Brothers new popcorn. Okay, do you guys have a favorite? um, who robs backstage popcorn? It is gluten-free, non-GMO, 50 calorie per cup, plant-based. It says the Jonas Secret seasoning. Let's look in the back. I guess you could scan that below. Oh wow, they have a whole thing here. Ingredients: popcorn, sunflower oil, seasoning mix. Okay, let's look at this. Oh look, there's a picture. Who's that guy? Is that like someone in their band? I don't know. A brother? Do they have another brother? I don't know. All I know is I remember hearing them on Nickelodeon many years ago, the year 3000, and everyone made fun of them. And look, they took off. He took off and did his own thing. He got married. He got married to the girl from Game of Thrones, Sansa, whatever her name is.
Redhead?
Yeah. So right up front they have apple cider gummies. You get 120 in here. They are gluten-free, non-GMO. They're gonna be $29.90 each. And then next to me is gonna be 27. Oh, it's like a peanut butter one. Okay, chocolate peanut butter, 1 gram of sugar. It's a 15 pack for $26.24. So I did find a new like snack right up front. They're vegan protein bars. You get 12 for $18.48 at Instant Savings. You get 6 cookie and a birthday. They are gluten-free. Okay, that's a new one. A lot of the protein stuff is right up front, like the protein chips. They're $17.60 each. Okay, they already have Easter baskets. Oh my gosh, I probably will find them in the aisle. They are going to be, there's no price on them, so they might be in the aisle. Look how cute. It looks like you get like a Pop-It. And of course they have all the cookies down here. Oh, you guys, I bought one of these. How much?
25.
These are $25. $25. But you guys, I bought all these chocolates last time I was here. I bought like this one. These are actually really chocolatey. And I'm glad I didn't eat them all because I had company over. And I'm like, yes. Because, you know, I would poke at it. Okay, look how cute. $29.98, so $30. Look, this is brand new in Sam's Club. And I do apologize if I say Costco, which I think I did. Sometimes I'm just like in the zone. Okay. Look at all this stuff you got. And over here is going to be $14.90 each. Oh my gosh, you got a little treat tower. There's a little lamb. It looks like M&M's, popcorn, cookies, Skittles, and gummy bears in here. These are going to be $14.90 each and $13.98. Look right here. For an Easter basket, of course, you get 18 and they're full size. So, you know, if you're making a basket, they got the marshmallow egg and they're full size, which is better than tiny ones. They do have a tiny bag here for 10 though. You love Cadbury. This is my husband's favorite. $11.98. Oh, but you get peanut butter and then you get the Cadbury.
Yeah, you get 2 and 2. That's great.
Do you guys know that they still show the Cadbury commercial with the line, which I think is really cool. And $16.48 here. I did find some more Easter. So we have the M&M, the peanut, and your regular. So they're both the same price, $15.28. They used to be a little different because of the peanut. And we have your peeps, so they're going to be $12.98 for a party pack. Look at this right here. Easter Essentials. You get the milk chocolate, cotton candy. You get lavender, blue, pink, yellow, party cake, cotton candy. Oh, you get quite a lot in here. I'm not really a fan of peeps. And they also have the chocolate bunny. You get 2 for $6.78. And on top they have the cookie kit for $13.98. And if you're wanting jelly beans, what are your favorite jelly beans? Do you guys like to buy the different ones? These are $7.66. I think I like the Jolly Rancher ones. Those are pretty good. And I think everything else is the same on the candy. So the white chocolate, $11.48, and we have the dark chocolate, which is $9.98. Okay, they do have these Starburst jelly beans. They're $9.48 here for a 54-ounce. A really nice citronella candle is going to be $19.98. You only get one in here. So it looks like they have white. You know what? The picture makes it look like it's like stone. It's like porcelain. And they do have a blue one. Thinful snacks, $6.98. You get 2 grams of sugar, 60 calories per 1/2 cup. Half cup. We have popcorn caramel twist, pretzel, finish with a sea salt. So I found a new steak seasoning here for $8.88. Uncle Chris Gourmet Steak Seasoning. Okay, haven't heard of that one. They still have your Snickers here for $5.48. Bang Bang Sweet and Spicy is $3.98. And Tabitha, $7.98. She is here. It is salt free, all purpose. We have garlic, ginger, pineapple, and mango. It looks like a light tuna, $10.64, another instant saving, and you will get 10. It looks like maybe cinnamon oat creamer. Yeah, cinnamon roll oat creamer is going to be $7.38. A lot of you tell me this stuff is really good. I still haven't tried it. We have honey butter, cinnamon, and brown sugar. Hey, you can make a pizza out of that. And then you have pumpkin butter. Really? So the ground beef, the crumbles, the 3-pound instant saving. Tyson chicken strips are $15.98. 3.5 pound. The 5-pound is still around for $16.98 from $20, which is really good. These are raw, so remember they're raw. But these are pretty decent. So all the eggs are sold out. They were $15.94 for cage-free, 2 per member. They do have this brand here. It's $6.48. A quilted lunch tote is $24.98. You get 3 containers and you get a water bottle. So here's this green one. It's gonna zipper. Oh, that's kind of cool. And your water bottle goes on the side. They have a marble one, a black one, and these are $25. So for children, it looks like little boys are $12.98 for the Levi pant. It looks like there may be a pull-on with a drawstring, which is pretty good. You know how they have sometimes trouble buttoning their pants, especially if they are going to the bathroom. So they have a cute camo one. Levi t-shirts, of course, you will get 2 in here. They're $10. Okay, not bad. 2 for $10. Camo and this black one, and they also have white. Kind of like this one right here, but you have to be able to trust your kid in white. We're getting in swim trunks, so they're $18. I'm just gonna round that cute little shark one. The neon, and they're all by Hurley. In magazines, I don't see anything new. A lot of the same cooking ones, so maybe next month. Oh, they have a universal one, theme park cookbook, the diabetes family friendly one for $11.48. I think this is it for this Sam's Club, you guys. In this location. Right now, a lot of cute Easter candy. You know, mainly Easter stuff. That was mainly the new things we found today. Alright, you guys, please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one. Aren't these so cute? They have Harry Potter official coloring book. Color animals. The coloring of the animals, like a doodle one. Look at that cute turtle on the sea. Okay, see if there's anything new. I don't think so. And children books. Yeah, that chicken one is still here.